She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. Alright, so this blend request is coming from Aesthetic Gravity, who wanted to see if I could do a blend that would be similar to this picture. And so that's what we're going to try to do here today, using the colors 60, PS Blue, and a regular blue. And so when I do this blend, I'm going to start with blending just the colors 60 and the PS Blue, because that is majority of what I'm seeing in those braids. And then I'll go in and I'll add a little bit of this blue, just a little bit at a time, until I get to my desired shade, I guess. And so I'll let you guys watch and just see how I did. I will say, make sure to watch until the very end so you can see these the braids and see how it turned out. And I'll be comparing that picture, and I'll be comparing my blend so you guys can see how I did. And I will say that I did 2 braids, and with the second braid I did add a little bit of the darker blue so you guys can see that. And yeah, make sure to leave your comments below. I'm going to try to get this video uploaded tonight. If I cannot get it uploaded tonight, it'll go up Sunday morning, and then I'll just have to upload a second video for Sunday. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this blend, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. As always, be blessed, stay safe, and stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.